My name is Maurice Odondo. I am the CEO of Kenya Education Management Institute. Today we are gathered in Naivasha under a multi-sectoral undertaking through the umbrella of the Ministry of Education, in which we are supported by Mizizi Elimu Africa to develop important training materials which will be supporting our education officers across the country, and equally supporting our principals and heads of institutions who are operating within the institutional level. And the purpose of this important undertaking is to enable our principals and our heads of institution to appreciate the value of institutional-based quality assurance by providing the best teaching and learning environment and ensuring that curriculum implementation is effectively undertaken within the institutions of learning. And above that, we anticipate to have our education officers across the divide to support our heads of institutions and principals as they execute their functions. So of course they will come in at the monitoring level so as to enable our heads of institutions to deliver quality education to the Kenyan child. We are therefore more than proud for the multi-sectoral team which is present here today, and will be here for a long stretch to ensure that we get out of this place with the two important training manuals. Just as I mentioned, that these manuals will be of great value to us within the sector. Thank you very much.